Hello friends, welcome back to CIVILDEPTH-BD. Today I will discuss how we can use Shape Bender plugin in SketchUp. Here I will show you two examples. At first I will copy this object. You have to keep your objects parallel to red axis, keep it in mind. Now I can move this one and you can see that my object and this red axis are in parallel position. Now again I will select this window. Now I will make a copy. Initially I will place this one in red axis. Now I can move this one. Now you can see both the objects are in parallel position with red axis. Now what will I do? At first I will install the extension. So go to extension, then click on extension manager, then click on install extension. I will provide the download link in the video description box. So here I will select Shape Bender plugin. Now if you go to the extension bar, then you will see here this Shape Bender plugin. Now I have to draw a curve. Here I am using 3-point arc command. Again I am using this 3-point arc command. Now if I select this object, then if I go to the extension bar and select Shape Bender command, you can see this plugin is telling us to select a single line that lies on the red axis. Okay, so here at first I will draw a line which is parallel to the red axis. Again here also I will do the same thing. Now select the object, then go to extension, from there select Shape Bender. Now I will select this line. Now SketchUp telling us to select and curve to bend the shape to. Now I will select this curve. If I press enter, you can see that this object has been bended by the shape of this curve. Again, another example, here I will select this window, then I will go to extension bar. I will select Shape Bender. At first I will select this line which is parallel to the red axis. Then I will select this curve. Then I will press enter. Hope you can see. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.